Hello! Hello everybody. Sorry for taking a little bit. Okay. What happened was I was coding anyway, and I was thinking, I could stream me just coding. And I was like, yeah. So now I'm streaming the coding. Yeah. Because I'm not working on anything that's, you know, that I don't want to show off yet. So yeah. I'm gonna be doing that. Just put this up. Yeah, don't worry, I got it. Just gonna put this on shuffle and get started. Whoosh. So, okay, what I have so far, let me just pull it up. We can find it. It's not in here, it's an experiment. Either way, I'm sorry, more Balatro content, like usual. Whoa! Wait. Oh, we got font issues. Well, you can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna try to check out what's wrong with font. Oh, never mind. Anyway, mainly, I recreated the UI of Balatro. Like, this is all actual text. Which, like, cool, I guess. But this lets me do stuff like this. Wait, is it me or is it lagging a little bit? Oh, the VM doesn't like the shader. Well, that's unexpected. I guess it's all rendering on the CPU. I'm just gonna... I'm gonna temporarily disable the shader. And it should up. Yeah. So yeah. I'm trying to recreate the UI to the best of my abilities, and yeah, you can have these. You know, I'm surprised it lags, because that means that on the actual Linux dev website, it must be even worse. Like on the Halloween page specifically uses the same shader. That's curious. I don't know, sometimes it bugs out, it's gonna come back. I thought I fixed some internal issues now. What? Wait, this is the wrong one. It just linked me to the old main page. Huh. Well, that's interesting. I didn't know you could do that. Oh, I need to add the new Halloween pages to this. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. I see. Depending on the thing, it does lag. Alright. Well, that's good to know. To be fair, I think the Balatro shader is too pretty to leave out from, you know, this one. So, I guess the goal is work on Balatro Shrine in general. Because I have been obsessed with this game so much that I'm doing this now. Yeah. I mean, I don't think there's enough people yet to show this off. Not that it matters particularly, but also have the NSO theme on. Well, part of it anyway. The thing I showed off in the Discord was me trying to make a theme like NSO line. Yeah, but watchers will see. So yeah, I was trying to like add an NSO theme. Like already I got the font in, which is really cool. It's a little scuffed. I made the calendar first as an example, because it's a pretty good benchmark for this stuff. But as you can see, there's a ton left. And on top of that, it seems... yeah, this spot is also kind of broken. And I'm hoping to do, like, you know, the actual windows... Like, that's the goal, right? Having the actual windows have the decorations of NSO. That'd be awesome. So I'll walk my way up to that, and I just did the calendar first. I also have the tooltips. So that's neat, because it's all CSS. You know, the same way I do my website. All CSS. So yeah. Well, that was just a data side. I might change the theme just to know what I'm doing now. I think usually I use mint dark purple. I don't know what the difference between these are, but... that looks pretty good. Anyway, yeah, back to this. Alright, next up on the agenda. I want to add a big old thing with the title screen of Balatro, and then you start scrolling down and getting all the other windows. So let's go ahead. By the way, like, as a quick aside, the HTML for these things off. Kinda messed up, because like, every single square you can see is a different div. So like, if you look at the actual object, it's something like this. Even the cards are like that, because I had to stack multiple rotations on top of each other. But, to be fair, I didn't even know I could do that, so like, that's pretty impressive. Yippee! So, let's go ahead and, don't mind all the placeholder stuff, and let's get started. AP equals title screen. Class title area. Here we go. So, it's gonna be the image of the thing. SLC. Oh, yeah, I gotta put it in. Okay, let's get started on that. Okay, yeah, I'm missing a few sprites. Let me go get and fetch them. Okay, that one should be title screen times 2 size, yeah. Windows. I'm saying Windows because I'm just fetching card sprites to use. Okay, that should be enough. So if I go back in here and check this folder, I have Balatro, my jokers, and the card. Okay, good. I could go and say something like this is what it looks like when I make a shrine, but like, when's the last time I've made one? So really, you don't know. Well, it's been a while since I've felt like doing it, so. With 100% view width, height, 100% view height. It's just gonna be the logo, and then you try scrolling and see that there's other things. Is it there? Oh yeah, it's all the way down there. Makes sense. Should probably go with body and HTML. At least Gaster is still to talk to. Yeah! Gaster, do you remember what the margin should be set to when you don't want things to hug the corners? Oh yeah, margin. Programming Battle Advanced. Real! I don't know what it means. So if I go back in. I'm just gonna comment out all the placeholders. Like, they were cool, but... Tooltip, test card screen. The card screen can stay. Oh, there's still an image. To be fair, I don't know why the image has gotta be here. Let's put it with the others that are getting commented out. And here we go. Alright. Title screen. Okay. Alright, that seems good. So, inside of title screens, the image is at an RCC of Shrine, BG, Balatro, Sprites, Balatro.png. Hey, nice. Now, I'm gonna just... what is going on in this side? This is spread too wide. Guess it's a little better. Did I really change how it's organized over there? Just... okay. Can I close this? Oh, I can. Alright. Title screen, display, flex, align, content center, justify, content center? Oh, that's the one. This one's gonna be align item center. Although it's already doing it. So it centers the logo properly. Good. Just gonna copy these over. So title screen, title screen. Alright. Next up. Let's add a card inside of there. That's the Ace of Spades. Card wrapper. Doesn't really need a wrapper, but I'm missing too much of it here. Okay, let's copy paste the entire thing. And put it right here. And use the sprite of Shrine. BG Balatro. Sprites. Card spade ace. Alright, good. So this one is this one. Okay. And it needs to not have a tooltip. So I'm gonna remove the entire tooltip class down there. And here we go. Okay, now, next up, why is it over there? Oh, and also it shouldn't have a card tilt. Card tilt of 0. To be fair, I feel like using... Okay, I'm gonna try removing the card wrappers. The only reason it's used is to make cards stack properly once you have too many of them. But I'm not gonna have too many of them inside of the title screen. Okay, good. It's the only way to do like... Okay. Position, absolute. Oh no, I saw something move. Wait, is the logo mole centered there? Oh, the card is pushing it up. Okay, that makes sense. Wait, what does that mean? By QQ1 row A to U2. This is basic support. Left 50%, top 50%, transform. Please don't mess up anything. Using transform is always scary. Minus 50%? Okay, it's not messing anything up. Okay, that sounds good. I should make just a class that's called centering. Just this value. Well, let's make one. Dot center does all of this. Sounds good. Class center. I should really move the card area down. Card area. Oh, test card area screen. Oh, that works. Okay, now, is this the right scale for the card? I don't think so. I'm gonna boot up Balatro intermittently just to... Wait, did I just launch Seam in here? What just happened? Hold of the day. Surreptitiously. Done in surreptitious way. That is in a sneaky or improper way. Yeah, I pronounced all of that so good. Interesting. I didn't know that one. It's going pretty good. I'm just slowly making the title screen. Oh, I guess the card is a bit raised. But it's going pretty good. Yeah, Gaster is doing everything. I think the title screen looks a little more like this. Gaster the goat. I mean, just adjusting stuff. Okay, I think the card is just ever so slightly smaller. So I'm gonna add scale 0.98. 95. 92. 9. That looks too small now. Okay, it's gonna be a lot of micro adjustments. Just gonna take a screen cap of this whole thing and put it on my bottom screen. Try to figure it out. Oh wait, I think the logo is just straight up twice that size, that's why. Huh. How do I make this even bigger? 666s? Okay. Width... What? Width... Count... 666. Thank you, Gaster. Pixels times 2. Wait, that doesn't look right either. It's probably not that size. Is it this? Maybe kinda weird if it'd be like half size. I think I'm just going to give up and keep it like this. Okay. I think the card is fine here, actually. Alright. Okay, with that done... Okay, what do I make the rest of the shrine look like? Like, what kind of UI do I want? I guess the credits is the closest thing. Yeah, it's like this, Okay, I'm gonna try to just reproduce that bit and see how that feels. I do have the card area, the weird ass card area in there, but it's because I was testing having the descriptions out, depending on what you over. But that's for later. It's not just gonna be red, but the problem is if I re-enable the script, Oh, wait, where's this? Where did the logo go? Okay, the index -1 is important on the canvas. Alright. And you start scrolling down. Yeah, it'll be great. I'm gonna disable the background again. So if I want to make a description box that looks like this, it would be... Okay, let's try this. Okay, that doesn't look right. I think it's good, so I gotta do... display, flex, and okay, display flex, flex direction, column. Is that it? Okay. Align items center. Okay. Kinda works. I don't know why I haven't done that before on any other pages, like to set up the wall, center everything in the center. Yeah, you get it. I think it's because if I start doing this, yeah, okay, the size doesn't, it just kind of, although that could just be like a minimum width of the screen. Besides, who the fuck is browsing like this? Maybe on the phone? Yeah, the logo should definitely shrink on a phone. How would you do that? I'm gonna have to think. There's probably a way. Okay, for now. Color picker. Oh, I think it's the same color. Nice. So if I go in there and I remove everything that makes this a tooltip, I will be left with... Okay, I can work with this. Common. So, if I have this... It's inside of tooltip container. So inside of tooltip container, I'm gonna do .bg. I mean, for lack of a better name, yeah, .bg. Oh, .bg object. .bg wrapper. Oh, .bg outer. Will that even work? How did I do it with the other one? Tooltip container, tooltip outer, tooltip shadow. Yeah, there's an object shadow. So that PG object. Dark PG shadow and dark PG container. Well, we'll just put some text. Hi. Gaster time, and then Gaster all over the place. This is gonna happen in the next chapter. So with all that said, object. Position relative. Shadow. Looks like this. And container looks like this. Okay. .pg container, .pg shadow. Then I'm gonna color pick this stuff. Copy. This one's the main one. That that doesn't look like it. Okay, what happened? I don't see a particular reason. If I put you on top? No. Maybe it's position relative. And then put your shadow on top. Okay. So position relative on that thing. Okay, and now I just add the pixel corners, because I need those. Alright, that looks like it. Now it just makes the shadow be a bit less down. I don't know, 2? Is that good? 3 would be closer to the game. There we go. Oh, it took a surprisingly long time. I say that, but makes sense. The other part with the shrines is actually figuring out what I'm gonna type in there anyway. I'm gonna comment these out too. Oh, what? Oh, I see. Alright, it's working. Now let's test actually writing something in there that's, better. Can I do straight up like... Okay, let's try this. H1... What is Balatro? Very generic. And other weird questions. Div Balatro is goated. Okay, it kinda works, but it's putting a good old margin on everything. But something like that, now I can make the entire thing be like this. So like when you get on the website, you see this with the background, and then you scroll down and start getting info. And then at the bottom I can put stuff like the cards I made, the jokers, and I don't know, my favorite combo, but if I put photo chat I explode. Something like that. I mean, looks good. Hello. I'm gonna reactivate the background just because it's gonna look cool. Yeah, something like that. I love making the opening of every shrine be the actual game's title screen. I think I did this with any of the other ones. If the internet works. It works better if I directly gun it. Oh, I hope that's not too loud. Or if it loads. Gaster, make it load faster. Thank you. I'm glad you liked it. Oh, will the video even work? I wonder if it's even up anymore. Oh. It didn't load. No. Well, that's another title screen I liked copying. I hope to, like, finish it at some point. But it's a bit harder when the UI is, like, all pixelated and not something I can easily do. So yeah. So I can use this to display text. I could put a shadow behind everything, but... Oh! Yeah! I am one, and thank you, and I'll work hard. I want it to come out to you. I don't think it's gonna take years. Like, at least from now. Hopefully it won't. It'd be crazy if it did. Well, I mean, it's already looking like it's gonna take as long as Omori, though. Like, considering when it started development. Yeah, that's the one. Thank you. I will try to get it. Like, I want... yeah. Oh yeah, no worries. It would be known if it was Rainy Mario was playing. Just imagining that is... Oh, you mean didn't not spoil yourself on Reverie? No, that's fair enough. Oh. Buddy. Buddy. Wait, that's weird. Could have sworn I added flex to it. What happened to that? That line 6-7. Oh yeah, I see it. And I wanted to add... Sorry, I gotta think. Oh yeah, gap. Gap of 32 pixels. Let's see. Yeah, it's working. Okay. I'm gonna have to think long and hard about what to include here anyway. But that's pretty good start for the shrine. Get the cards, over it. Then you start scrolling down and you see, you know, what is Balatro. Well, let's try putting the calorie underneath. I think I commented out. If I put this right afterwards, what happens? Yeah, okay, it does work. I should put something underneath though. I'm gonna preemptively write a credits thing. Oh, how do you do titles again? Tooltip. 8 rocks. That's still good for you. I'll do that. Hello, kill. Legends eat sand. Yeah. Credits. You know, to Balatro itself. I'm gonna have to have some pretty extensive... To be fair, I could do that for every shrine. Okay, I'll write this section later, but like, just as a proof of concept, so I have something down there. So now, when I do this... Oh. I didn't think this through. Okay, now the tooltips should definitely render on top. Maybe I should make every append bottom tooltip rendered with the index of 1. Well, probably 5. And we'll figure that out. I saw your VTuber and thought you were a girl, but then I heard your voice. Oh, I see. Oh, I am a girl. Just trans. So, if I look at it... Yeah, now it renders properly. So, if I make the little description for the mod, I can have the cards hanging out at the bottom, and I put appropriate description for each of them. That's cool. I kind of want to put all 5 of them now, but it's gonna take a bit. Also, the CSS for this stuff is huge. Rika. Okay. So this one is Mutsumi. Oh. That's an interesting card. Okay, that kind of looks cool though. What the... Whoa. Like the shadow actually matches. I didn't get to see if the shadow matching was actually perfect, but... Missing Joker. That would be really funny. I wonder what I would do. I was gonna say something stupid, like, there's no Jokers in the shop, only Tarot and Planets, but that's stupid. Useful for one person once. Well. Let's get the proper one in though. Oh, I know why it broke. It's because I'm using this instead of directly linking. Okay. Let's just get this out. Tsumi, Uika, Sakiko. Okay. What? Okay, yeah, it's not working. That's weird. I could have sworn I put them in. Mutsumi. It'd be really useful if you got into a position where you no longer need new jokers. Yeah, actually. But like, you'd take up a joker slot, so ironically you'd have to sacrifice one to do this. Or if you're running straight and would rather get more levels. That's fair. I've been thinking of making a mod that's like only straight weird ass ideas and based on the website. Like as a second thing. Just cause like I don't want to make stupid jokers, like not broken, but like just weird concepts. So maybe I could do that. It could be for that one. Oh, I made a typo while typing her name, that's why. Here we go. So -2 degrees, -1, 0. Okay, next step's a jack. Mary. I tried coming up with some Joker concept, then realized they all read like Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I mean, I saw someone make a Yu-Gi-Oh themed mod and it looked really cool. But I get the feeling, I have a hard time making Joker effects that are under full lines. Like in the end I'm just thinking, yep, 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 yep. You know? It's hard to come up with effects that aren't super long. But still, that would have been cool. Okay, that's fun. What was the last one? Oh yeah, Nyam. Okay. Damn. Good luck with that. This Joker earns times 0.1 mult every time money is earned. Self-destructive full interest is earned at cash out. Whoa. I mean, I feel like that would fit. Hold on. If you have a long Joker name, because like the long length of the description is always based on the Joker name. So like you might be able to fit it in full lines, which would be the max to me. Oh wait, it needs a line to say like currently times something. Okay. What's this one over there? But yeah, I get it. I almost want to fire up Balatro just to show the in-dev ones I have, but like one of them is like actually I can do whatever I want. Hold on. Wait, why is my VTuber not there? Hello? I have no idea why my VTuber isn't there. Well, interesting. Hold on, I'm gonna try and... Oh! Okay, I found it. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah. Like, I have a few that are full of yep, like all of my rares are like full line. Like, for example, this one I came up with and it's just kind of too wordy, I think. Like, if first end of round there's only one card, destroyed all cards other than end of the same rank. I wanted another card to destroy cards. I was like, this is weird. Mostly it's just because, like, I thought One of a Kind is really funny because it's like the alternate name of iCard, but not really. Well, you get it. There was this one. Recycle Joker. I like this one, but like, it's another one with a really long description. But I really like its effect. Maybe I should move it down from a rare to uncommon though. Because like the effect is really good, but like it's really hard to use too, so I think it balances itself out. I don't know, I'll have to think about it. Well, I mean, I have 2 billion other Witness Jokers. Because like I was working on like a few more to add for no reason. The Archduke Leonard Vorlansen Willish of stuff. Cool. No, that's a Joker name. True. New Balatro mod release, oh my god. Well, a V2 eventually. Hold on. That makes you want to re-enable the others. Oh. Yeah, the other thing I had was okay. The name of the Joker you just said reminded me of this Joker I was gonna add to the random bullshit go mod. Yeah, like slightly weathered cut copper stairs plus 2 chips per letters in known Joker's name. Eh. Well, then there's this one, but that's another one. This one is like, he steals poker hands after playing them, so you can't play them again. They just get removed from the list until you finish your run. I thought that was funny. And then this one, but this one is just because I feel like it's pretty much Run the Bus. Not Run the Bus, but what's it called? Hold on. Oh, Ride the Bus. That was it. This is just Ride the Bus. So yeah, these three are just like rejected ones that are not making it, but I think I would like to put them in the mod where we had stuff like Pien gain times 0.1 molts for like all dollars lost at the start of round, lose all money at the start of round. I think it was Sky who proposed that idea actually. I forgot. Either way, yeah. Anyway, I didn't mean to turn this into Balatro thing. I just thought it was funny. I still really like this one though. So, Wait, that's... Mary... Mary... Okay, I see. Yeah, they could use a little more tilt. So, I don't know, 3... 1.5... minus 1.5... minus 3... Okay, that looks pretty good. Oh, I forgot their full name. Well, it's not like I was trying to do this bit first. I just thought it would be a nice mock-up of what the advertisement question mark for the mod will be. Mutsumi, Maltis, Ace of Spades. Okay, nice. Don't change the others, but... Okay. Nah, this works good. Okay, I like this. Well, how long have I been at the... Wait, what was that? What? Firefox? Ask an AI chatbot. Summarize page, choose an AI chatbot, remove AI chatbot. What? I had no idea Firefox was moving like this. What? Firefox is slop now, damn. I wasn't aware. Ladybird, please, come faster. To be fair, it would be a miracle if loading up any of these pages in Ladybird works. I hope it will work on my browser. Wait, I should make pull requests myself to make it work. I will fix it just so it can run. I don't know. Okay. Well, next up on the agenda, if I'm not doing this, what to continue? Thanks for spreading the good word. Oh yeah, I wanted to see if I could control the colors depending on where you are scrolling on the page. Okay, but like, it's gonna be hard, I think. Like, okay, to do this... I think I need to make the rest of the page before I worry about something like that, because like... But it's gonna look so cool, because like, you get to the section about these gals, and it's just gonna like, turn into the colors. And you scroll more into the credits, it'll be the blue and red and stuff. You get it. Yeah, I think this will be a cool shrine. Alright. All of this just because I found a filter that allows you to do the pixelation thing it has everywhere. I was like, oh yeah, I want to do that. So, next up on the agenda. I'd love if I could drag them, but I can't. Wait, I have something. I kind of want to test something, but I don't know. Hold on, how much do I have in the code that I need? Okay, I'm gonna do a mockup real quick. Good. Don't mind that. Do I have the bunny? Do I have a normal bunny? I do not. What kind of enemies do I have from Memori, actually? I guess I have the bunny, but the bunny... Okay, what's the most generic enemy I've got here? Not Sweetheart. I can't put Sweetheart everywhere. Let's go with Mixtape. My favorite. Although, Dial-Up would be another one. I haven't done Dial-Up yet, I think. Okay. I can't put Jeff everywhere, but I guess I could. Oh, that's not. Dial-Up, Whippy. Wait, what do I do the emotions again? Well, I guess that's released. Trying to dodge like stuff I don't want. Spread out. Spread out works. Oh yeah, that's how you do it. I think. Oh no, it's state. The state. Well, Balatro. State. Is that how it works? Oh, it's one word. Okay. Now that should be it. There we go. I wonder if I can just put the shader in there. Can I do that? Okay, now I have too many questions. There must be one of these that adds a script. Script? Maybe if it was. Can you give Gaster a hat too? He looks gold. You know what, you're right. Okay, but which one do I give him? It looks really... Alright, let me go find the fish for me. I think it would look better on him. Here we go. Hold on, it's a bit big for him. Alright, the sun won't get in his eye now. Can you even read that at this size? Whatever, good enough. It's dripped out. How do you insert a shield again? No, it's... that... Screen? Insert adjacent HTML beforehand. And string all this. Okay. Does that work? Oh, it's gonna take the size of the screen. Oh no. Okay. Can I at least give it this class? Okay. Now, I need to remember how to add a script. I could just do insert adjacent HTML forever though. Like, nothing is holding me back on this. Like, just instead of this, I do document.body insert adjacent HTML before the end, and I make it be. Okay, save that. Shader. There's 0% chance this works. This is gonna blow up. Yeah, it didn't work. Oh, wrong link, that's why. Okay, it's in experiment shader. No? Oh, it does have it. Oh, the index -1. No, that's not the one. What is happening? There's something making it not work and I'm not sure what. Well, that was a long shot. Can I get the CSS in now? Damn. Yeah, the canvas is just rendering empty. Yeah, I don't know why. Damn. I thought I made this work before. Why not now? What if instead I do document body Okay, I guess just nothing works now. Does any of this get fired? Console.log. Hi. Yeah, it doesn't get fired. Wait, do JavaScript insert script tag not firing. Ah. True. Okay, I can think of another thing that's JavaScript though. Wouldn't the... Huh, I've never tried to actually insert a script after something. That's interesting. How do we add the script to a page then? Is it like create tag? Cool to see someone beat checks so quickly. I don't think they beat checks. I think it's because on my screen there is a sprout mole there. There is a mysterious sprout mole that's there instead of hero. I think that's it though. Mysterious mole. This is so much longer. Okay. Document, body, append child, script, JavaScript, script that's here specifically. Remove the dataset. Remove the cat. Remove the gold cat. I should do it. Let's see. Oh? Okay, it fired, but I don't see it. Holy. Okay. What if I put you inside of the actual background? I think it was nodes dot screen dot insert ideas in the HTML. Oh wait, that kind of works. Huh. Checking for the pipe bomb. Oh. I don't even know what it is. Okay, here we go. Pat pat. He's fully geared up. Battle ready Gaster. Okay, if I go ahead and go after start. Oh wait, it also needs to be like this. Oh, was it not after stop? Okay, what is it? Oh, after begin. Okay, okay, okay. Alright. What the fuck am I doing? Then I'm gonna just go ahead and make this thing transparent. Ooh, the final step. Where would they even put the cat area? I guess in screen UI? I mean, all log does is put itself at the top. Yeah, I can do that. Here we go, card area. Now we go back in here. We paste all of this in. Hello! Welcome to the stream. Okay, if I press F5 on this. Wait, did it even get added? UI screen. Oh! I do see the cards. I mean, I think they're missing... Yeah, they're missing the library to even work, actually. I give up. I need a function that just does what I need it to. So, function add script. Or maybe it should be just a general add the tag. Then it's like type content. That's RC. So you do that, right? Oh, what was I writing there? I tried to import a JavaScript, like a CSS as a JavaScript. That's stupid. Okay. Does CSS use something else? I don't know. This doesn't shorten it by a lot. Okay, I'm just gonna do one per add script. URL. It's just all of this. Return server script. I'm gonna rename this to script. Script out. Script. Script. Hold on, I'm gonna get this. Script. Here we go. Okay, that's URL here. And that should be it. So now instead of all of this, we do add script with URL and it'll do it automatically. Great. Thanks. I'm struggling. Well, if I had slash experiment Balatro. Oh! Some of the UI. Oh hey, you had sweetheart. Why is it sticking to the side? Oh, it's halfway in there. Gotta make them smaller for sure. Well, let's just undo all the rules that are messing this up. First up. Okay. Is this a mod? No. I mean, the thing I'm working on currently is my own this is different from a mod, this is a recreation. I remade Omori in JavaScript, and now I'm just trying to graft Balatro on top of it, because recently I started making this page, which has Balatro style. Like, I reproduced it, and now I'm like, okay, well, I have Balatro, I have Omori, let's smash them together, is what I'm currently doing. Yeah. They'd have to be kind of small to fit. Yeah. It's the advertisement. Okay, the counts need to be smaller again. 1.1. Oh, 1? I guess 1 works, but like, at this point, you can kind of see once you zoom in. Huh? How was the experience of programming with Java? Oh no, yeah, this is JavaScript. Personally, I recommend JavaScript. It's fun. I mean, hold on. Well, it's fun when it works, but it's fun. I personally recommend it. Well, I know it doesn't look like anything's working right now, but I swear usually it works. Absolute psychopath. Yeah, true. This looks pretty good. I just wish I didn't have all the tooltips down there, but... Hold on, I'm gonna, like, mass remove them. Okay. Console... Query select... Oh, wait. Document... Query selector... All... That... And it's... Tooltip objects. So all tooltip objects dot for each t dot remove. There we go. We can finally see something. Hey, thank you. That looks kind of good. I'm kind of digging it. I wasn't sure if there would be enough space to put jokers up there, but like, this is non-zero space. At this scale, it's pretty good. Why is there like, hold on, image rendering pixelated? Oh wait, it's just from all the movement. When it gets scaled up, they look a little blurry. Jimbo raises the stakes. True. Listen, it's been an idea that's been rattling in my brain, and now that I have the thing in 0.5 seconds, I want to see if it looks good. Or if I can make it look good. The tooltips are definitely gonna have to be scaled down though. I should be able to do a global scale down on them though. That's gonna be great. Also, there is no longer a battle log in this version. Well, it was fun doing a mockup. I should copy the CSS before I lose it all though. Like, I'm gonna need to do a custom thing here. Oh, I can't create the file yet or it's gonna blow up everything. And the cards themselves are now, okay, this big. Presets, Balatro.css. What was it called again? Card area? Yeah, card area. Okay. Next up, card front. So display initial. I don't think I have an. Oh yeah, background color. Don't set a background color, please. Transparent. Yeah, that should work. Yeah. So that insert adjacent HTML in the head of. Oh, surely I've done this before. Oh yeah, that's all I do. Okay. Remove this bit, and actually call it Balatro. Okay, good. Actually, why is there a giant gap in between these? Oh, it's not hashtag, it's dot. Okay. Next up, let's make this actually not awful. 50%. And then transform, translate. Minus 50%, so it's always going to be centered. Okay. And now I just slowly expand the size of this thing. Oh, it doesn't work. Okay. Gap 0? Yeah, that saves it. Okay. Well, I could keep some gap. 2. Okay. As for the tooltips, well, I need the script, so... Okay, where is it? There will be other projects like this? You mean like website related? Like what I'm working on right now, the stuff on the website? I mean, in general, the answer will be yes, though. Yeah, you should go check it out yourself. Like, I have a lot of stuff like this. This is just me working on one of them. Like, another honorable mention is, hold on. I'm gonna pull it up just so I can send you a link. If the code decides to work. Oh, it's the wrong one. Okay, why is that the first result? Eat it. Have fun. That's weird, you'd think it'd become bigger. Oh, here we go. Okay, what is happening? The screen fit is drunk. Okay, so display initial doing something. Okay. Well, I'm gonna do the thing I was going to do anyway. Balatro, let's use this to not control the body like that. I don't even need the background red anymore, now that I have a proper background. So all of this is just going to be inline. Style equals all of that. So this one works, and this one works. Good. Alright. Next step on the list. I mean, I probably gotta do something about these tooltips. They're huge. Maybe if I do a sweeping tooltip object, transform. Oh, it's already a transform. Transform origin top center. Yeah. Scale 0.5. Ooh. Okay, that looks pretty good. Well, they should show up on top still, but... Here we go, 30. That looks kind of ridiculously good. I mean, in my opinion. Let's put it in. Okay, I want to only keep the bits with transform origin, and the index. That's weird. Why does it not rescale yet? Ah! Oh, this direction it works. Okay, what is up with you? Oh! It's because I hadn't pressed F11. I'm silly. Okay. Well, now let's add the final touches. Also known as just... making it do the thing. Does that make sense? That doesn't make sense. So, Balatro experiment... Oh, that and vanilla tilt, yeah. This is fun. Yeah, I'd say JavaScript is fun, you should get into it. You know, I thought we'd have reached the end of this playlist by now. Did I set it on repeat? Oh, don't worry, this is my face when I do coding. Yeah, it's fun, but it does that. Okay, running that till definitely did not work. Let Gaster code for a bit. Seems he took a break from making chapter 5. Nah, he's hard at work. It's going to come out tomorrow. You can quote me on this. You can... Toby's gonna drop a newsletter tomorrow, because it would be really funny if it's after the major gaming event and he just completely ignores it. It's always the funniest option. Hell yeah. I'm surprised that through the amount of transformations this page goes through, somehow these render properly. Well, to some extent. It looks a little more... Okay, there are some scaling related issues here I'm seeing. Anyway, let's just make these the average Joker setup. Gonna go fetch some sprites. I just wanted to know what it looked like, and it looks pretty damn good. Okay, let's do... Okay, first up, of course, we're gonna have Blueprint. Of course. Hi! Thank you for saying hi. Yeah, that means there will be no news. I mean, unrelated to the fact that he's not there, but there will be no news. I wonder what that means. Inconvenience Fury. Oh, I wonder how difficult it would be to do one of these, actually. Oh, I want to try so bad. Oh no. Lilith. Later. I'll try this later. Look great, but later. I can't just do all this. Okay, this guy shouldn't be up there. Alright. Align items center. Perfect. What are you even doing? I don't know. I don't know. Having fun, I guess. Like, I just wanted to do a mock-up for fun, and now I'm doing exactly that and adding stuff on top of it just to see what it looks like. I can't believe this is JS or HTML. Me neither. This looks pretty damn good. For just that. Well, I should set image rendering up there. Like, I'm always impressed by what I can do with this stuff. You don't really think about it until it's in your face. The tilting is a tiny bit weird with this many transformations. Yeah, you know what? I see what's wrong with it. The tilting doesn't account for the actual size of this thing. It's been transformed so many times. I'm gonna have to go in there and fix the script myself, probably. Still, that's so nice to look at. I mean, thinking about it, this is a pretty good spot for them to go if we were to do something like this. If I was to. Gaster is helping, but like, he could be putting more effort in. Come on, man. Tell me. where where should I put the consumables here, huh? Oh, that makes sense. Alright. Yeah, he's right. The consumables should be like, you know, like, items, like snacks and toys. They'd be in that zone. I was thinking the consumables could be items. My opinion on Mrs. Blue is I haven't finished it yet. I watched the first like 20 minutes and I forgot to watch the rest because I got busy. I should finish it someday. My opinion is I didn't finish it. It was great though. Oh, it crashed immediately. No? Oh no, it's fine. Oh. I'm impressed that the grayscale filter works on the shader background. You know what I mean? Damn. Hell yeah. I see. Well, with that said, I think I'll say I'm done with this. Like, I just wanted to see a mock-up, and I'm seeing one right here. I've been dreaming of doing this for a little bit now. So this looks great. Oh, phew. Then if I were to, I don't know, make the summon, probably like... Hold on a second. Calculator. Oh, 19 divided by 1080 does this. But what if I do times 480 of this? 853, 854 basically. So if I went and did left, well, not left, what am I doing? With 854 px. Oh god! Okay. The Mori boss fights were not meant to be upscaled to widescreen. Wait, can I do this with every battle? That looks so cursed. I'm kinda curious to see what it looks like when we actually play in something like this though. I mean, this isn't what I was going for. I was thinking of, if I did this, there would probably be the Balatro UI with the NT's hands left and all that on the side, and I just expand it to be Gaster all hot sky. Okay, fuck it. I wanna see what this looks like on something else. Let's go fight sweetheart. Let me just go cut it off. Wait, does it matter if... No, probably not. Alright. So, to expand the size of this thing, screen... with 854 px. Whoa! Finally, widescreen. It's more than just the animation. Okay, flex. You're gonna use that on yourself. Team Spirit Jeff. I mean, yeah, Jeff. This looks, this looks like something. The The problem is, it works. Like, for all intents and purposes, this works. Welcome to another episode of Boundary Break, where we take the camera anywhere we want. Into our favorite games. It starts flying around. This is not the name. I'm not gonna do the entire boss fight, but... Ow! You can barely tell that everything is fucked. Well, that was an interesting social experiment. Okay, center her. I mean, this is widescreen. If I center all the screens, you can't tell that something is wrong. Like... Yeah, this is just a more widescreen. There you go. Why does it not look terrible, though? Like... This feels kind of playable. Am I crazy? Who's crazy here? I'm taking a screenshot for remember for later. Neat! You're crazy? Nah, I'm not crazy. Look at this. It looks so HD. This is like when people release a game just upscaled again. This is the same thing. Oh, the knife went the wrong way, yeah. No, this looks kinda good. This is like a YouTube widescreen 60 FPS AI rare upload slab. Okay, you're not wrong. But it feels kinda novel to have it be full screenable. Ow. Oh, Jeff. I mean, this almost works too. Okay, like, some of the animations go off screen, but I could imagine someone playing this. Wait, did I get her? No. I was kinda hoping. Okay, yeah, she's got plenty of life left. Okay, this is where I give up. Thanks for war. Watching whatever this is. Why am I saying it like I'm ending the stream? Like, This looks like something, but obviously I'm not doing this. Anyway, I think this looks pretty neat. Well, obviously all the descriptions are wrong, but... What would Akia think? Uh, Probably something like, stop doing anything forever. It's trash. This is a joke. They probably wouldn't say this. No, I still like this intro, but doesn't the logo feel like it should be bigger, or am I gaslighting myself? Like, is this alright? I should have a make your own Joker section that just writes one of these descriptions so some people can take a screenshot. I mean, I say all that, but I don't want to make the canvas thing. I think it smoothly should scroll down if you click. If you click what? Like a button that says play or something? Maybe it should have like, you know, as the main menu is a bunch of buttons, maybe it's all the sections, and you click on there, and it just scrolls you there. I think it's mostly should scroll down if you click. Good idea. Okay. Anywhere, but it's all the way up. I don't get that bit. Oh. No, yeah, I got that bit. Oh, wait, you already... Okay, I see, that's what you meant. Well, let me pull up the game on my second monitor and just... Okay, it looks like that. Man, the logo feels so much of the screen there. Why is mine so small? Okay, I'm gonna take a screen cap of this. And, okay, I have a baseline. Is it 2 times size? I thought it was 2 times size, but like, look what happens if I 2 times size this thing. Because this thing right now is 666. If I do width, calc, 666 pixels times 2, it looks like this now. I mean, hold on. Image, render, image rendering, pixelated. Okay. It's definitely not 2. No, it's still not 2 times. Also, yeah, it's 666. It's Gaster! We're talking about you, man! Gaster, it's you! You made Balatro, how could you not tell me? Probably times 3. No, it's not times 3. Maybe it's like, 1.5. Does that look better? It looks closer. I think that's it. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Oh, that's good to know. I'm just gonna add that. It is higher up. I mean, it has to make room for the buttons, which we will be adding. One thing I like to do with shrines is always have a link or a button that takes you to the Steam page for the game. Because, like, what kind of person just makes so much stuff inspired by the game and not link to the original? It's awesome, you should play it. You just go... Hmm? I got Gaster a sandwich. Hello. Sorry about that. Gaster can't get me. He's my friend. He's awesome. But yeah, I'm alright. Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay, but like, normal Deltarune. I doubt Toby would set it up so hard just to not do anything with it. Right? 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 Could you imagine? That would be so awful. Okay, that looks way better. Toby. Okay, that looks way too big. 2.5? That looks closer. Look up Balatro menu for reference. I have the Balatro menu up, don't worry. Like, I literally just opened the game and look at it. Hold on. If it's better for everyone involved, I could get it on screen, but like, it's gonna take up a bit of space. I have it. This is a whole game medically put in her head. She knows everything. I'm not that obsessed, but maybe a little bit. But like, I know better than that. Anyway, looking at the reference picture. That seems right actually. The only thing that's different is the card is slightly higher. Like about here. I think that's where it is. Maybe slightly bigger too. Yeah, 2.6. Yeah, 2.6 and top 48. Okay, let's do it. Okay, looking pretty good. Alright, well, in terms of having it be... Actually, which color is this even? Yeah, I should be able to do that. Alright, I'm gonna take this off of loop, but I love this song. Ah, I wanna make you see the the Vala shrine too. There's so many I wanna make. But let's get at least one out, cause like currently the only two shrines I have is White Pine and NSO. How sad is that? We could have one more. Can you ask Gaster who Dark Angel is? Hey, Gaster! Who's Dark Angel? Oh. Mm-hmm. Oh. But why? That makes sense. I see. Well, there you have it, folks. The problem with some mob psycho shrine is that I started working on it and then I didn't quite catch that, Gaster. For the mob psycho shrine, I started working on it. I had like lots of ideas, but now in retrospect, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, I wanted panels like the manga, and then I was like, but what if I reference the anime? And now I'm not sure. It's harder, like, okay, between a video game and an anime, there's like a pretty big gap in terms of what I can do for a shrine. So that's the main bit that's, you know, difficult. Well, let's modify title area. Title screen. The background and psychic rainbow effect was really cool though. I mean, is it still working anyway? I wonder if it's still up on the website. I think it was neat. I liked it. Oh, it does still exist. I mean, not really a spoiler. I think it's on the website, but... Yeah, this is all I had, and then I kinda just, and this was, like, hard as hell to do. I mean, yeah, I could have made this a JF question mark? Probably not. And then there would be, like, manga panels. I even found the font for it. It's just because, like, I first read it, that's a webcomic. Could make it a shader. Yeah, this could have been a shader. Because, like, the way I'm doing this is, like, really messy. I have, like... Yeah, a lot going on in there. But, yeah, that's how it goes. Could have probably even made it an SVG thing. This is, like, the second page I made ever? Or was it the third? I don't know. Some things just didn't make the cut. Maybe someday, though. Speaking of things that did make the cut. Yeah, I think he was the only one excited for it. Besides, it's just, I love Mob Psycho. It's such a good show. It's so, so good. I would recommend anyone who's watching the VOD right now, watch it now. This is an older. Thanks. I think it's pretty neat. Wait, how far in is the Bochi one? Not that Tio isn't here, I can just go look at them. Oh yeah, that's why. So this is all I have on the Bochi the Rock one, but like it's a bit further along. The thing I'm not sure of is the descriptions. I'm not good at writing. I only like making CSS. So the progress right now is just, you know, you see a little bit about each of them, and that's it. Daily this dev news gal might have a stroke. Daily this dev news is not gonna check out this video, so I'm safe. I'm just dodging it all. I think I'm gonna run out of things that I'm keeping a secret, but like it doesn't matter. It's just you know, a shrine. Anyway, I think it'll look quite cool. I wanted to do something that matches each character. You will watch the VOD. Bet. We're gonna watch tonight's news and we're gonna see if he says anything. I mean, we don't know who this could be. It could even be you! It could even be me! It could even be... Gaster disappeared me. Gaster, you can't do that. I wasn't gonna reveal anything about the lore, the crazy lore. I wasn't gonna reveal that. It's alright. Anyway, cool pages. One day I'll get them. Cause like, my website just never gets updates that aren't just CMY battles. I'd like to do something else. That'd be neat. Anyway, for the menu buttons, right? I think it's gonna work the exact same as Dark PG, so I'm gonna copy paste this. Underneath title screen. Wait, this is the worst part of that song. Let me skip it. Nah. Sure. Alright. Yeah. It's really bold of you to assume he will record news anyway. I mean, they will record news anyway. I'm really bad at this. Mr. Pronounce? Oh, I see. My bad, I will properly refer to Littlest Dev News from now on. Well, she's never gonna record the news. Bold of you to assume it's all going to be in the episode. Yep. Where's my color picker? Here we go. I'm just color picking from the title screen to get the appropriate colors. Think that should do it? Okay, that looks more like the main menu. Next step. We need this guy. The top 6px. No, bottom -6. That didn't work. Ask Gaster what they think of the Undertale and Deltarune community. Okay. Hey, Gaster, what do you think of the Deltarune and Undertale community? Oh, they got it in the wrong order? Whatever. Hmm. Yeah, that makes sense. There was so much of it at the time. Hmm. I mean, they got better, right? They make some decent points. I mean, yeah, a lot of... I don't agree that the... I don't think the Undertale community was cringe and, like... like, it's complicated. A lot of fans are kids and it just happens, you know? You can't just make blanket statements like that. If you have a lot of fans, you're always going to get haters and kids, right? Hmm. Oh, yeah. That I can do. It's not a crime to be young. But yeah, no, well, there you have it. This is Gaster's thoughts on this. I'm not sure I can agree, but, you know, to each their own. That's what he thinks. I wonder how he feels about the theories about him, though. Easy, it's another Tuesday. How do you feel about the theories about you? Oh, theories? I didn't port it, I leaked it. I have the entirety of chapter 5 right in my SD drive. USB. I played it, it was pretty fun. The friend boss fight was pretty fun. Gaster was a bit underwhelming though. No shade to you. Right. Like no hard feelings. Yeah. Not enough yaoi. To be fair, I think like 5-minute makeout session between Asgore and like Rudy kind of justified it, but you know, like I get it. It could have been more of it, you know? Like Yuri got its time to shine with Chris not Chris, no. Noelle Susie. So like where's Ultern? Where's the yaoi? Anyway, yeah, that's my review of chapter 5, none of yaoi. Flex, direction, row. Yeah. The rules expertly side plot was weird. That it was weird. Or else I had good character development too, I guess. Not as good as Susie, honestly. Like, Susie was really strong with chapter 4. I wish Ralsei had a little more, but I guess it's made up by the fact that he dies at the end of the chapter. So I guess they couldn't do like too much character development because he dies. Like, wouldn't that be lame if you put so much investment into a character and then they like fucking die at the end? But like, he was pretty good. He sacrificed himself like to save Asgore, so you know, I think it was a really emotional moment. Especially since it looks like Asriel and he didn't have time to explain. Yeah, I mean, good chapter otherwise, so yeah. No, yeah, it looks pretty close to the game. Okay, next up, the buttons. I think I can straight up copy the others though. Like, I think I'm gonna use the same class over and over again and it's gonna be awful, technically speaking. Like, this is not good. This is not how you do programming. But this is for a mockup, so it's okay. All in all, 9.5 out of 10. Yeah. It was really out of left field for Elsie to finally come out as a girl and then pierced by the tail of hell after saving Asgore. Yeah, I expected the friend to be bad, but transphobic? That's just awful. It was really satisfying when we killed it, though. You know? Like, that thing was really evil. I didn't know Toby Fox had it in him to make evil characters. Yeah, who would have guessed that? I think that's why Toby took out the sprite with the tail that had an actual, like, pointer at the end, because it got changed to be a scythe instead. Yeah, Papyrus, like, showing up for, like, only 2 minutes was really lame. Like, we've been waiting for years to see him, and it's just like, I too am in this video! I too am in this chapter! And then disappeared again. Like, that was lame. It's so tiny! It's so small! I look forward to more Paris X-Girl interactions in Chapter 6. Sorry, I know it's not a ship name, but it still got me. I look forward to it too. Yeah. Maybe if I make it a tooltip title. The fandom is calling their ship called Spaghetti. I can't keep up with this anymore, that's too good. That's awesome. You know what? If you said that somewhere, someone online would run with it for 20 years and make fan out of this specific ship for years to come. Even though it's so random. We knew Birdie was gay, very happy for him. Whoever continues where him and Chris finally confessed was big. Whoa. It was... I haven't seen the Weird What yet. I haven't played it. I missed that bit. Okay. Damn, I need to watch a playthrough after this. I thought he was bi, to be honest. Me too. But I guess if he comes on screen and says it... But to be fair, even if he says I'm gay, it could mean like bisexual still. We never know. Anyway, that's one button down. Hell yeah. It looks kinda scuffed though, for some reason. I don't know what's wrong with it. In the weird route, Papyrus tried to get with Death Knight, but went for Carol instead. When she showed up, a man of culture thrown spaghetti to entice and distract. If only his microwave was plugged in. Let's I think I didn't have the deluxe edition you had. Did Toby patch a bunch of stuff? I don't remember this. Yeah, except the heart attack didn't open the battle box. Oh, yeah, Mike, I'm gonna let you two talk about chapter 5. Wait a second. Well, first up, I'm back. Second, I just realized we landed on this playlist again. I can't escape. Am I tweaking or... Oh, maybe I need another BR bag. What's happening? Okay, now it should be good. I don't know what was happening to my model there, but something funny. Alright. More yaoi next chapter would be appreciated. True. I think it's more like space around. I don't know, I have to look at my screenshot of it again. Mm, kind of. Why is the card still there? Oh. Here we go. My fucking god. I'm reading war crimes in the chat. Oh, that's... no. Oh, hello. Sorry, I just saw. Thanks for coming by. Sorry, I was out of it. Sometimes I just look at the code and like get lost in it. Lost in source, literally. So... wonder what it would look like if I put like an Usher delay on the card's swing animation. They look more out of sync. Which is good, I think. Alright. The buttons are gonna be harder than just me doing this. I need to stop copy-pasting the same CSS and actually start writing some new ones. Well, there would be the play button here. Is there anything else I want in here? Like, okay, there is a play button. I'm not gonna make the profile, obviously. I don't need the text at the top. Unless I write some stuff like, I don't know, Shrine version something something. Oh my god. Wait, you know about Super Paper Mario? Have we talked about this before? I love Super Paper Mario. Let's go! You need a formal site version. What are you talking about? What? Speaking of, let's see accessibility properties. Yeah, not very accessible. We need a formal site version. Oh, yeah. That makes sense. I do. I should place it somewhere. Paper Mario 64 is picked too. I haven't played it yet. I haven't even finished Thousand Year Door. I've only played Super Paper Mario and Sticker Star. I'm part of the 3 people who actually like Sticker Star, but like I still dislike it overall, but like, it was alright. Huh. Interesting. Okay, so if I did everything correctly, it's going to start... Yeah. I also need to make the logo change size. There's gonna be so much stuff to fix on this. Oh well, that's the issue of trying to make everything website compatible with phones. The thing is, I would visit the site with a phone, but you know, it's still difficult. Why is there always, like, some kind of small space underneath? Why do we display none on this thing? No, it's not the shadow that's doing this, it just has some space at the bottom. That doesn't exist anywhere else. Uh... It's probably the space for cheese or something? I have to search this a second time. Wait, how long have I been in silence for? Yeah, I don't know. I think the only way I'm gonna have to do this is gonna be to go up here and do margin top. Wait, no. Margin bottom. Whatever. I mean, that looks right. This is really approximate programming. Do not do this at home. Do not try it. This is a professional. I mean, looks good. If anything, the decks should be bigger. Yeah, that's the good stuff. Even too big. Yeah. I mean, it looks good at any size. I hope this song doesn't get me in trouble. Probably doesn't, right? Right, guys? Right, Gaster? Gaster is my legal advisor. Just gonna pray. Alright. Because I miss you in the dark. Alright, color picker. Oh, that's definitely the limit to what I can do with this. Hey, but the things underneath resize properly. I'm still gonna have to adjust some things, but... Wait, what? Am I muted? Hello? Oh, okay, good. Ah, yeah, I wasn't talking, thankfully. Oh, it's that place again. Yes, the HTML sure is HTMLing. Yeah, I had pretty good progress. I think the menu looks good. Looking at this. I think when the buttons get too small, I'm going to start making them stack vertically and pray for the best. Because, like, hold on, let me simulate what it looks like on phone right now. Oh. I get yeah, well, this is what it looks like on phone. Well, there's definitely one version that's gonna be more impressive. Great phone experience. I think, I mean, I'm gonna still do my best for it to be usable on phone, but I think it's definitely gonna be a better experience on the PC. Holy. I mean, I did my best to make it phone compatible for NSO and White Pine, but here... Nah, I'll find a way. Sorry, this made me want to look at this again. This is so bonkers. Like, yes, this makes sense. This is a real thing. Right, Gaster? Yes. I don't know why the cards are blurry, though. Probably just out of how many resizing operations there are on them. Maybe it doesn't look blurry for y'all. I mean, looking at this, it's almost a title screen. Yeah, you know what? Getting rid of the buttons on phone would be a great idea. Thank you. Speaking of, how do I even make the logo smaller? Like, okay. Width, or like max width 100%. Okay. Max width 100% too. Okay. You could even have the side content comment further because you'll have a lot of empty space under the logo on phone. That makes a lot of sense. Okay, I think I see the vision on this. So the way to do it is title area. I can find it in the CSS. Okay, max size of 95 so you can still get some borders on the borders, if that makes sense. And then the logo itself is limited to a size of 100%. So that's for the game logo. Right here. Now, giant phone. Well, okay, there. One thing left. How do I make the color to resize actually? Oh no. Okay, can I set the width of this thing? Oh, I see. I think I know to resize it. I should have a scale factor value that rescales this card based on where it is. Hold on, let me just get rid of it to see if this looks good. So if I have this and well, let's not remove it, let's just make it, it's probably 1. Oh, the shadows stayed the same size. That looks pretty funny. Okay. And then I delete this thing. So this is what it would look like on phone. Yeah, you're right. I should have it sit more like close to the top on phone. And then like you just have the side content immediately. Maybe. Because like it's not like this is gonna look like particularly like the website or whatever. I'm surprised the background kinda holds up on phone. Although on my phone, when I set this as the background for the Halloween update, uh, it just glitched out all the time. My phone didn't like shaders. But, you know, it'll probably work for other people. I can do one last thing. Something like that, I guess. I mean, I think it'll be pretty good for the website. Like, this is good enough. Sorry, I've been spacing out staring at it. Oh, let's try on another phone resolution and we'll consider this done. Even on an iPad it'll look great. What if you turn it on the side? Yeah. Well, this will be full later. I mean, there's gonna be a minimum size where it starts doing this stuff. It's probably gonna be tolerant enough to prevent that. Oh, cool! Yeah, I mean, all in all, like, I think I'm gonna... What? Young Genitus Liz Jellian? I don't know what that means, but thank you. Wow, it looks so cool zoomed in. I mean, full screen. It's almost like I'm gonna fire up another run to die with Bloodstone in NT2. I haven't even gotten C++ yet. I guess I'll put progress in that. So glad they don't have to pay for it now. No. I'm gonna get sued. You do have to pay it. You won't have to pay once you get this thing, I guess. But it's gonna be different. It's gonna be, you know, like, when you deal damage, it gives you chips and you have mold. Yeah, that kind of stuff. Finally, Balatro with Lilith's binder built in. What would even be the planet's levels? They stick out so much against the style of everything else, it's so funny. That's gonna be fun to route. Okay, the thing is, you can't route it, so I don't know what people are going to do. And I don't even know if I'm gonna finish this. The code for it is gonna be a nightmare. But that's a cool mocap. This is a maybe someday. Maybe I'll do this. Maybe. AutoCAD's nearest neighbor. I tried to do image rendering pixelated and it just doesn't accept it. I don't know why. I think it's just because they get scaled up so often that they just lose all consistency of their original pixel art. It's like, it's image rendering pixelated. Okay, I spammed image rendering pixelated on everything and it didn't work. You say that like they aren't already. Yeah, like Balatro fight's already governed by RNG. So it's not gonna change much of anything, really. RNG Fest squared. Well... Gaster, do you have anything to say as closing words? Yeah. Well, I'm glad he's thankful that you all showed up. Pressing play to watch Balatro Mori, that's so funny. I should do that. You know, it's gonna be the standard at some point that in every shrine there's just a play button that takes you to the Omori version. Yeah, Gaster said that actually too. Didn't you get it? All your theories are wrong, goodbye. And then it goes like... The hat stays though, I paid for it, it's gonna stay. It's my hat. And have 1% chance to show made CEO. This is gonna be for the the scenario, the cult CEO. I'll ghost Gaster. True! You know, I feel like you could almost connect running a mix of at and ghost to spell Gaster. But that goes even. I'm not even... yeah, I don't even make sense anymore. Thank you so much for watching the stream, and... yeah, I look forward to finishing 1 billion pages, but as you can see I keep getting sidetracked with new pages, but I think this one will be cool. I mean, they're all cool, but this one in particular I'm loving. And yeah, I look forward to being able to share more news at some point and do another stream and yeah, all that good stuff. So, with that said, I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching and bye bye! Yay! Finally, Shrine 2.